Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Paula Empty Nester at 40. Today we are going to be doing a quick and easy Halloween DIY. All right, so the items you'll need is one of these little houses from the Dollar Tree. This is the smaller, fatter one, I guess. One of the skeleton that comes in the 4-pack of skeletons, again from the Dollar Tree. And this little bottle here, it was a 3-pack that I picked up at Walmart for $1. And I have this printable. One is the little bottle with the skeleton, and then the warning are just from Google Images. I'm also going to be using black paint, Waverly ink, and some Mod Podge. All right, so to get started, all you're going to do is remove the sticker from the back of the house, and then you're simply going to paint the entire house black. Now that the house is completely dry, I'm just going to take some sandpaper and I'm just going to give it a little bit of a sanding to give it a worn, rustic look. It's not so much rustic, but just to give it a little bit of a worn look. It adds a little bit of like a gray tone to it. Once I'm done with the sanding, I'm simply going to take the little piece of paper that I had printed out and position it where I think it would fit best. I'm putting it up at the top. I'm going to take a little bit of Mod Podge, put the Mod Podge on the back of the paper, and then place the paper in position into the little house and adding a little bit extra Mod Podge just to make sure it's secure. Now, as I let that dry, I'm going to take a little glass bottle that I have, and I picked these up from the jewelry section. I think that they're to hold beads, but I also printed this little warning poison picture from Google Images. It just so happened to be the same shape as this little bottle. I actually did have to size it down, but I sized it down and printed it, just everything in black and white. It gives it that Halloween look, and I'm just simply Mod Podging it onto the bottle. Another idea that you can do is maybe fill the bottle with a little bit of liquid, or maybe paint the inside of the bottle a color so that it looks like there is something in the bottle as well. I think that's a great idea. All right, now that that's glued onto the bottle, again, I think it's just simple and it looks cute. I'm simply going to position the bottle in the little wooden house, find where I like it, and then I'm just going to grab some hot glue and hot glue the bottle to one corner, making sure that the um, poison, skull, and crossbone um, image actually is facing out and not in to the box. So you can see it from the outside, in other words. And then I'm going to take my little skeleton friend and I'm going to place him on the other side, giving the illusion that he drank the poison from inside the bottle, and that's why he is where he is. I also took a little bit of sandpaper and sanded a little bit around the wording that I had originally Mod Podge onto the back, again, just to give it that worn out rustic look. And here's my finished project. It was so simple. It was so easy to make. Anyone can make it. I hope you truly enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that you're notified the next time I upload a video. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you so much. Have a wonderful day.